Well, the storm is coming to an end, and it's just an incredible amount of snow outside. I'm going to try to venture outside right now, and there's over 2 feet, and I can't even get my door open here. So this is, yeah, I mean, you can see this. This is incredible. Wow. Yeah, that's just how much snow is here so far. Really amazing. Having fun, Rob? Sucks. Yeah, this is well over.
I don't even know where to start.
Oh, I know. It's incredible.
Well, I mean,
yeah, so the snow is well above my knees. Definitely well over 24 inches. Close to 25, 26, if not higher in some spots. Yeah. Here's the cars under that white stuff. And it's just simply unreal. They've got the streets pretty well plowed, which I'm surprised about, but that'll certainly help out. It's just absolutely an incredible amount of snow. And you can see my spiral Christmas trees. Those are well over 2 feet, and they're you know, almost up to the top of the shorter one. There are ones underneath that are 14 inches. Those have been covered up for hours now. And I'm going to venture into the backyard. Oh, God, this is incredible. That's a snowdrift. That's well above my head. At least a good 8 to 9 feet. I just have never seen this amount of snow. You can see on my neighbor's roof. You've got, you know, a good 2 feet of snow up there as well. Now, I should have probably stuck to my original plan of leaving the snowblower outside and covered, because it's going to be interesting getting it out of the shed. Yeah, this is absolutely wow. It's well over my knees right here, up to my waist. You can see the gardens here. These are plants that are 3 feet tall, totally covered. So I'm going to get the shovel and make a path for the snowblower, snow thrower, whatever you want to call it, and begin to dig out. But this is just something. Really is some storm. Now this little piece of machine will hopefully get my driveway cleared. First time I've used it in 3 years. I guess it's going to pay itself back today. Hopefully. Wow. Just incredible, the amount of snow. This isn't even down to the slate on the bottom. Just another 2 inches are down there. And you can just see how much snow there is. And this is 2 feet easily. Absolutely amazing. And this is the path I cut through with the snowblower. And this thing is just great. Now look at that. Nothing says fun like gasoline-powered yard equipment. Oh yeah, baby. Unbelievable. You can see how incredibly deep this is. I guess it's a little hard to tell here, but this is up to my waist, or my more like my Swanson. But anyway, it's pretty high up anyway. Just absolutely incredible how deep this is. It's 2.5 feet easily. You can just see where it is on the mailboxes. Really an unbelievable storm. Everybody on the street is starting to wake up and shovel, dig themselves out of this absolute mess. This is amazing over here. I'm standing in probably a good chest feet high snow. My feet aren't even on the grass, and it's well over my waist. I can't even get over there. The snow is just simply too deep, but this is an amazing drift coming off of my roof. Really is beautiful, actually. But what a snowstorm. Finally, everything is dug out. Good 2 hours, I would say, to get everything dug out. Well, use a snowblower. That thing paid for itself 10 times over today. Helped the neighbors get out. So now it's time to enjoy the rest of Sunday afternoon. But man, this was an absolute epic snowstorm. Truly amazing. Did a pretty decent job on the streets. Actually did a real good job on the streets. It was Suffolk's finest. But amazing. You can see how deep this is over here. And that's a good 8 feet high. Now street, some of the neighbors down there clearing things out. I'm gonna go take a ride and get some pictures, check out the neighborhood, and see this storm up close. Well, people are certainly out and about. There's actually quite a few cars on the road, I guess. We want to check the neighborhood out. I mean, there's a lot of traffic on the road. I'm quite surprised, but also I'm on the road as well. I guess there's a fascination to events like this when they do take place. You know, it's not often that you get over 24 inches of snow. I mean, there's a good 3 feet of snow easily, you know, in our town. You can see some people over here shoveling out. Definitely is the activity of the day. There's the Humps Joes. But it's turning out to be a really nice day. The sun is starting to come out. It's not as cold anymore, and the snow certainly has stopped as well. So I'm gonna take a drive around and check things out. This is pretty incredible. The road is entirely flooded. Guy over here is kayaking on the street. That's pretty crazy. But I'm not venturing through that. That's for damn sure. That's salt water. It'll absolutely destroy the car if I don't get stuck in it. So we'll be backing up and taking an alternate route. It's really amazing. This was an absolutely classic nor'easter. Flood, heavy snow, winds. You know, it doesn't get any more winter in the Northeast than this storm. Really absolutely amazing. Now this is Montauk Highway in Sayville, which is pretty crappy still. For the most part, the roads aren't too bad down near me, but you can see, I guess they haven't gotten down over here to Sayville. It's still pretty snow-covered and slippery. So you're probably wondering why I'm going out. Because I want to. That's why. And I can.